Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So first off, I want to mention my voice is messed up, so this video I won't be talking because I kind of want to just save my voice as much as I possibly can, even though I started singing to music like halfway through filming this. But I'm just gonna I'm gonna preserve my voice a little bit. But I did this look right here, which was inspired by Rowan Singh, I believe is how you pronounce her name. This beautiful queen on Instagram. She also has a TikTok, I believe. I absolutely love her looks. They're so, So I just decided to go ahead and kind of take my own take on her look. And if you like it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram. I will have it linked down below. And yeah, if you want to see how I got it, then please keep watching. Alrighty guys, so this is a completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.